Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you are good and doing great and enjoying your life and eating food and everything you want. Let's get start the tutorial. Today's tutorial is about covering full face. One of my sister is asking me for this challenge that she is saying covering full face. So let's get started. I am covering my full face with this. Let's cover it with dupatta. Pin it here. As you guys see, it's done and it is looking so good. That's the whole look. Hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Bye bye guys.